YouTube, good morning. This is Chop. Welcome to my channel. Hope this video finds you in good spirits. Saturday morning, it's about 7:50. I'm going to go in the office for a couple of hours. I don't normally work every Saturday, but it's nice to go in on a Saturday once in a while because my phone doesn't ring, there's no one walking in my door, you know, that type of thing. So I can get a lot of stuff done on a Saturday morning in just a few hours and then still enjoy the rest of the weekend. It's supposed to be a beautiful weekend. I think today the high here in Nebraska, at least where I'm at, it's going to be about 81, 82 degrees. Tomorrow I think it's going to be a little warmer. I think it's supposed to get up to 90. Nonetheless, we have to enjoy these last few weekends that we have like this, because here pretty soon I'll be sitting on a chair in the garage staring at my bike on the battery tender because there's a foot of snow on the ground. So all you guys living in those warm weather climates, you're lucky you get to ride year round. I actually did ride at least once every month last year. I made it a point. I told myself every month there's gonna be a day when the sun comes out, at least, and it's gonna be at least 45 degrees or so. And sure enough, December, January, February, March, each one of those months there were warm days. In fact, Christmas last year here, gosh, I want to say it was 60 degrees and sunny. So I went on a ride Christmas Day last year. That was great. So I only live about 4 miles from home. I mean, boy, that didn't make any sense. I only work about 4 miles from my house, so it only takes me a few minutes to get there. But back to you guys in those warm weather climates. I see some of y'all are dealing with hurricanes right now, and that's it's not something I have to worry about here in Nebraska. Maybe the occasional tornado, but as long as I've been living here, and I've been living here off and on since '93, I've never seen a tornado in person, so I'm not really worried about it. But from what I understand, they can ruin your day. I think in the South, I think y'all have been hit by a few hurricanes already this year. Stay safe. But I know people down there, you probably deal with this every year, so you know what to do. You're used to it. You know how to be safe. But nonetheless, I will pray for your continued safety down there. You know, I can't tell if I'm probably just not experienced enough, but I really can't tell if there's more horsepower or torque now that I put these headers on. I'm probably a guy that's, you know, been riding bikes all his life, or been around them, or know what the, you know, they probably know what they're feeling for. But and I just got on it there a little bit, and I don't know, it still seemed pretty fast to me. I mean, the bike seems plenty powerful, even before I put the headers on. I mean, it's a 107. It's got everything I need, you know. How fast do you want to go? I guess some people are like, the sky's the limit. But look at, I mean, this is plenty for me. I wasn't even turning the throttle very much, and I was getting up. So, I mean, that's plenty for me. But I do have the air intake, headers, and muffler. I don't know if that's considered a stage 1 or not. I can't figure it out. I think if you put an air intake on there and you do something with the exhaust, I think that's stage 1. I think if you mess with the cam, you know, if you put a cams on there or something like that, I think that's stage 2. I don't know. I need to Google it. Or if one of you guys know, you can leave a comment below. But I'm pretty sure it's the stage one until you start doing something with cams. And I think when you do something like that, I think that may bump it up to a stage 2. I'm not sure. I'm just rambling on. But I'm almost to work. And I have low fuel. I am just under a quarter of a tank. So after work, one of my first stops will be the gas station. Ooh, that downshift. I love listening to that. Oh, we're here in my building. All right, empty parking lot, just one car and me. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get to work here, work for a couple hours, and I'll get back with you. Thanks for visiting my channel. I'll post another video maybe today. Talk to you later.